Hello and welcome to another episode of Airspace by the Hood. Today I thought of showing you two simple mods, how to install saddlebags and turn signal grills. So let's get started. So this is the saddlebag which I bought it from local shops. It cost me around rupees 350. You can either buy some other bags too, it's up to your choice. So now I'm going to show you how to fix this bag. The bag has two belt straps. Take the two belt straps and place it on the rubber. According to the fit, adjust the holes. That's it. This bag doesn't have much amount of space, but you can keep small things like your documents and some other stuffs, whatever you want. So this is the grill which I got it from online. The link is in the description box below. Remove the screws from the turn signals, place the grill and fix back the screws. That's it.